Excuse me, kind sir. Hey man, I love that AP. Dude.
No, don't do it.
Yes, bro, you're true. Look on down the madness, so it can take a tour. Come on, stand you with me and you can't run.
So it's a banger.
The fling shot in our face, man, never ready. Never ready, man, never ready. Ready to show me war with dead already. Dead already.
What? What?
So when me tell them for my life, say Mavado have one of the wickedest songs on the rhythm, but when Mac go release it, them think I lie. Mac can't tell you, say me know a long time. But if fling shot in a face, man, ever ready? That's a bust too blank from early before the world hear it. I don't think nothing start yet. The gully god has entered the dancehall room. So who hype up some song when I no chorus.
Walk out to the stick. Walk out to the stick, man, bad and bumbo clad rich. Uptown couple rifle, and if any killers now have no license for it.
I like it, man. I like it, star.
Get me on the beat, so it's a banger.
This girl hold me down, put a knife on my neck. Say if me ever move, she make me take me last breath. If that girl give me some wine, we no buckle yet. I the pussy in my life, I can never make me
rate Alkaline. But now, you realize that every artist have to use Alkaline style. Alkaline was the first artist when I run down in media, when I listen more chat, we just avoid the whole dancehall people them and work with anti.
The fling shot in our face, man, never ready. Never ready, man, never ready. Ready to show me war with dead already. Dead already, dead already. Walk out to the stick.
Now go on the fact say Vybz Kartel is not #1 right now up on iTunes, you know. Me don't want to grow on the fact that the dog, you know, they are number few on iTunes right now, you know. Me don't want to grow on the fact that the dog have.
The 2 songs that my Vybz Kartel release, Black to Black, in space of few hours, SYM and God Says, the 2 of them top the iTunes charts. 1 and 2. 1 and 2.
Style where we put on at that them pick up.
God have mercy upon us.
It look like Bumbo Clark Mavado ready to get the place teamy, you know. Jaja God. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vybz and Inside with Nando. You know it's the boss Nando in our building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. Oh my word, dancehall has finally found its place again. Once more again, viewers and subscribers, and may I say, big up to DJ Mac, Jaja DJ Mac, a whole heap of artists me see, I take the rhythm where you have and a vice on it. A whole heap of artists me see dep on the rhythm right now. I first rhythm me ever see in a dancehall for a while where so much artists want vice pan, where so much artists dep on, viewers and subscribers. And currently people, Mavado step into the chat room, viewers and subscribers. Mavado has entered the chat with a Badman song. And viewers and subscribers, me are going to get into the snippets soon. But we have some other things. We have a whole heap of other things to talk about in another vlog. Yeah. A lot of stuff to talk about. We saw where Vybz Kartel and the Gaza fans them are celebrate them #1 and them #2 on the Apple iTunes chart, viewers and not the Apple, on the US iTunes chart, viewers and subscribers. And it's a good look. The competition seems like it's on for this year 2026. You know, Alkaline has been going on the iTunes, the US iTunes #1 chart for a while. A whole heap of time, Alkaline, the Vendetta fans, them tap into that market, viewers and subscribers. But pre this, you remember when them usually bash Alkaline fans, them say, oh, #1 on iTunes chart and nothing. 20% can buy the song and it go #1. But now we saw where Vybz Kartel and his fans are celebrate that, which I can congratulate them on their, on their little achievement where they must celebrate. But What we do, the style where Vendetta said, style where we put down and hit them pick up. But viewers and subscribers, we have a lot to talk about in this vlog, you know. Because for some reason, the Mavado snippet when I heard, it sounded like Mavado gonna send some shots in another song there, you know. Mavado say in another song there, in the snippet when I just play, the man said, enemies when we war with dead already. Dead already, them dead already. I want to know that go already. He's speaking about musical enemies. Say him kill Popcorn and probably must say him kill all Kartel too. In him local beef where him did have with him Gaza versus Gully. But viewers and subscribers, I tell you know something you know. And I say it on the heard when I start the vlog. So dancehall has finally found back its place in our way. Me even say Buju Banton upon the DJ Mac rhythm. I even heard Wayne Wonder upon the rhythm, and the song of Wayne Wonder sing is a gangster song also. But viewers and subscribers, DJ Mac, it look like you take the rhythm, you take the dancehall space for the year, you know, as it pertains to producer, you know. You take your whole life place with the rhythm, them. Nah lie. The artists them will jump on that DJ, that where you feel like rhythm there. Nah lie, them go on good. Them go on good. Even Vybz Kartel go on good enough. But you know people are look for Vybz Kartel, give them a real solid crossover hit song. Because we know on Vybz Kartel for always have great songs and always have good hot banger songs for the streets. But as it pertains to a crossover song, we not see it yet, which is why enough people are say, yo dog, this not sound good and rare. But nevertheless, the song can go on, as I said earlier in my other vlog when I dropped yesterday. I say the song is not a hit song, but it's a banger song for the streets. It's a song we can rotate in the space, being that it depend a juggling rhythm, so it will get it flair. And Vybz Kartel have him name already. So theme song I go always play before other new acts. Or, you know, other new act song play before him, because you don't know how juggling play already. Them play out the regular songs, them not the big banger songs, them not the hot songs, them. And when the banger hot songs them come up, I hit a play last. So them always save the last for best. The selectors them always save the last for best, which is the Kartel them. And now that we have Mavado upon the rhythm, Jaja God. It's a great look. Me da love for Massacre the Panda rhythm, you know. And me da love for Alkaline the Panda rhythm, you know. But who knows, maybe not. But I my preference and what me da think. Me da love for Alkaline jump on the juggling, but nevertheless, viewers and subscribers, before further ado, make we just kick off the vlog. Make sure someone like, subscribe, share, hit that post notification bell. So whenever I drop a new video, you guys can be the first to be notified. So people, without further ado, make we kick it off like this. Now let me be clear. Enough people now want to see a Alkaline and a Mavado war. Enough people would have want to see the competition between the two. Now, I am 50-50 about this whole thing. You remember late last year when people just speculate about Mavado and Alkaline, say them not link or them fall out. Now for me, I am 50-50 about this whole thing. If Mavado and Alkaline are at odds, then nothing wrong, go at it. Well, if they are not at odds, then cool, nothing, don't go out with nothing. No send no shots at no one another or whatever. But you remember, late last year, as I said, a whole lot of speculation are going in nice space. When Mavado drop his big gun song and him say, I must be blind or them now here. And then we also heard in an Alkaline song, Disgusting, when Alkaline say, who a preem, how that drop in. And it caused a whole little thing in the media space. So now we're there in 2026, and as I said, viewers and subscribers, a lot can be brewing and we don't know. And a lot cannot really go on and we just overthink things. But Mavado drop a snippet, well, DJ Mac preview a snippet with Mavado singing a gunman, badman song, viewers and subscribers. And for some reason, my brain just a tingle, I think a bag of things after that snippet when I hear. Because Mavado say nice song, enemies when we war with dead already, them dead already. I want to know, Alkaline also saying I'm not emotion. Feelings, woman, you know me now. Then all heap of thing Alkaline saying I'm no emotional songs. And as me say, I don't know if I'm here overthink, but one of the viewers and the subscribers, share your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think about this snippet when me about for play. So people, listen it and tell me what you think.
So it's a banger.
15 shot in her face, man, never ready. Never ready, man, never ready. Believe me, so me war with dead already. Dead already. Walk out to the stick. Walk out to the stick, man, bad and bumbo clat rich. Uptown cover rifle, and if any killers now have no license for it.
Now, that was a snippet of Mavado's upcoming single off of the DJ Max rhythm. Viewers and subscribers, I want to know, when Mavado sing Badman song, it's a whole different ball game. So me a pray and I wonder, is it that Vybz Kartel is going to drop a Badman song even though him say him stop sing Gunman song? Because if Mavado take a place with that song, your viewers and subscribers, it not go normal enough. It is not going to be normal. And we know how it going at the space of dancehall. When the veteran them see another veteran a take a place with a Badman song, more veteran artists are going to run out. So me I wonder if Vybz Kartel are going to drop a Badman song or Alkaline are going to drop a Badman song. Who knows? More artists probably drop Badman song too. But viewers and subscribers, the man say, fi fling shot in the face, man, ever ready. Ever ready, man, ever ready. Enemies when me war with dead already. Dead already, them dead already. Walk round with the stick. Walk round with the stick, man, bad and wealthy and rich. Bumbo clean. Viewers and subscribers, we are weird pan it in a Mavado. But me nah lie, the little snippings, it crab up, it a go on. And me nah lie again. Is it that song a kick over Kartel song? I not really say rare, but we love the competition, a dancehall, competitive sport. But that song a look like it a go mad up the place, you know. You don't know how Mavado go to work with the simple intro them, and him not put no bag of lyrics and overcrowd the song. So you know Mavado always have that catchy songs fi make the crowd go crazy and wild. So me I wonder DJ Maka when this a go drop. Me not like bad still no. The snippet bad and me not on a jump fence thing and a switch side jump. A dancehall we are talk about the competition. We are talk about the vibes, the niceness as me say. Dancehall has finally found back its place once more again. The veteran artists them I hop up the game. You know Mavado. Him kind of not put in a bag of work. Last year, I must about 2 songs him drop. So, Mavado kind of stay low-key. But if Mavado find back himself in the space of dancehall, a problem. Viewers and subscribers, you make me know what you think, man. Leave your thoughts in the comment section.
I like it, man. I like it, star.
Get me on the beat, so it's a bang.
This girl hold me down, put a knife on my neck. Say if me ever move, she make me take my last breath. This girl give me some wine, we no buckle yet.
Jaja God, Buju Banton enter the chat, viewers and subscribers. Oh my word, it look like the veteran them out for sure, the young youths them out should be done. Yo, DJ Mac, you gone with producer for here no dog. Just this one rhythm, make you put yourself above all of the producer them in a dancehall currently in a 2026. You gone with it, DJ Mac. Viewers and subscribers, Buju Banton enter the chat and he has a lot to say. And me I got play it for you so you can hear where Buju Banton has said. Buju Banton come with the raw, authentic style of dancehall. And this rhythm fits his voice perfectly, people. Listen to where Buju Banton say, wow.
I the pussy in my life, I can never make me sweat. Me walk sweat, waist no neck. I never run me fire, me get defenseless. Tired of one position, make me switch it to the next. Girl, I hold me hostage and I saw me sitting set. Put me in a house, I send me on the house arrest. What amount of pampering, what amount of loving would you get? Wrap down my chest and me say not the first set. Bring your tenderness tonight, I have me arrest. Them down here, X-rated and raw. Why you come and road and chance to throw your body jaw? No, say you're good and can get any man you want. What make you go on so? What make you go on so? Them down here, X-rated like raw. Why you come and road and chance to throw your body jaw? No, your body good, you can get any man you want. What make you go on so? What make you go on so? Y'all run down man fence jump.
People want to think about Buju Banton's freestyle on the rhythm. Yo, me nah lie. You see that rhythm ya? That rhythm ya look like it gone with the year already and we're just there 2 months in a year at 2026. DJ Mac, the way how you fusion the authentic sound with the modern dancehall sound now makes it perfect. It fits so wonderfully on the beat. No lie, we see the beat, we see that rhythm ya. Gone all of Italy already, viewers and subscribers. The rhythm ya there Africa, the rhythm ya there Italy. I see a Italian man a DJ upon the beat a dog. And I say, yo, DJ man, gone with it, Now, viewers and subscribers, me have some other clippings more to share for you. Where some people are call out Russian about him a pretend or a go on like say him a the man as in producer. Now, DJ Mac went and did an interview some time ago where he stated that his rhythm are the baddest rhythm. There was a comparison with his rhythm and Russian rhythm, the storybook rhythm, and this rhythm, viewers and subscribers. And DJ Mac stated that a theme rhythm are the baddest rhythm. Theme rhythm are the rhythm we gone out there, gone global. So yeah, a whole heap of people will see on the rhythm. We see UK people, we see African people, we see Italian people. The rhythm are gone far. So viewers and subscribers, we have some people that call out Russian. Some want to play 2 clippings for you. So you hear what they must say. And tell me if you don't agree with the things some of the people must say. They must say Russian want gatekeep the music like him did back in the days. Pre this.
Enough you round here have talent. And have all a one song, them will find it on one on a rhythm. And then through the youth, them, when you see the youth rhythm, the song them bad pan the youth rhythm. And on the artists who not promote. Don't have a hit song pan it. Don't try to let go the youth them through the gate with the rhythm.
Give them a chance, man. Give them a chance. Like,
and you Russian, the system they are create and lock the youth them out of dance hall. Which part you in the pussy well when Kartel they are prison? Nobody know what you about a Russian. You go a foreign, go produce all these big artists and go into the Latin, in the reggaeton them and some other genre music. You forget about the Jamaican youth them. And Mac come now. And Mac come out and put the youth them to the forefront. See it? And Mac come out and make enough youth know say, watch out. You don't know say, yeah, this can't happen. See it? And Mac come out and I give the youth them the rhythm them say, yo, you can go vice pan the rhythm them. Once the song bad, see it? We'll have a listening ear stick, but push on the song the way the man never blacklist no man off and rhythm. Mac never blacklist no man off and rhythm them. That's why I have to rate that youth there 100%, bro. But this bumbo clap boy in here, Russian, no. You come out here with some local prison style like when I lock up blood clot music. Everyone don't want nobody for vice pound or rhythm them. Take the fucking rhythm them off of YouTube. And that's clear.
So Russian is a system man, viewers and subscribers. By now, you should know this. Russian is a system man, so him no work with certain artists. The last time somebody asked him on an interview if he would voice for Alkaline or if he would give Alkaline a rhythm, him said no, him there over here say him good. So, you know, Russian is a Gaza man, so certain man, him nah give him rhythm, or even certain woman, him nah give him rhythm. The last time we saw where him and Stark Ashley kick off over a rhythm, she was going to voice on his rhythm, I think it was a storybook rhythm, and him deny her, she not get, him not approve her for voice on it, so she never get for voice on it. So I guess she and Russian not in no dealings or no linking, so him not vice her. And yeah, DJ Mac out here put food in a people mouth. A lot of artists are get for vice pan DJ Mac rhythm. So people are call out Russian. And I remember, one point Russian wasn't here on the ground, when Vybz Kartel was behind bars. A real talk. Russian was out there in the global side of the world, in the international scene, a voice other artists, some big international artists. And he never bring no young artists with him at that time. So now him forward back in his space, a dancehall, I drop some rhythm. And I get who him feel pleased to get or who I work with him for get. So viewers and subscribers, the people them I call them out feed. Because of the whole thing as I say out the interview. Because we saw Russian has sent some shades on Instagram every now and then. Even though we know some of the time are just because of marketing. But the people them take it serious. But viewers and subscribers will see it clear in a plain sight. So Russian them a gatekeeper and he don't mind being called a gatekeeper. The last time I see him have on a jersey or a shirt with gatekeeper marking at the back of it. So clearly him not care if you want to call him gatekeeper. But the people them a call him out same way viewers and subscribers. So listen to what the other brother you have to say about the whole thing.
Yo, that video you have for Russian. My lad, come down now. Enough. I come like you come back to Jamaica to come mash up with music, dog. Listen to me. You're going like say no feel. You think some man forget, brother? One time with music in a hole, you run with Ghana foreign, Ghana voice, make me them, and future them, and Parasuka or whoever your voice, Italian man them when the music a suffer. A DJ Mac there Jamaica work with all of the young artists them. I try build back with music. And the man turn enough of them in a superstar now. And with music hot and nice again. And you run in and come back to Jamaica and go like you want to bully away in this, my lad. How wrong with you? And you lift up and go back a foreign if you need to, your dog. You see me? We now make you come back and corrupt back the music, brother. You see me? The music nice again. The youth are doing things from time. Lift up. The man not take no bullying from you, brother. You see me I say? Go on back a foreign go Vice back Meek Mill them and all of them man because when time with music I suffer, and this man there Jamaica work with all of the young artists them and build them back and turn them in a superstar, you know. And now with music up and you come up with it, you're forwarding with the system vibes. No, lift up. You can't go back a foreign, brother. We now make you come in running pan the music and I go and like say, yo, you think some man forget. On the loyalty lie whatever superstar and likes and nice I make. When the music slow up, you cut and lift up and gone left for go on to Jamaica. Cause once in a year Kartel I give you cause you done pick side already. You see me I say? Cause we don't care about music. We don't care about hype and having on the name in the cycle and install on the system and see the youth forward, you know. Single-handedly, the man there Jamaica work with all of the young artists them. Build them and turn them in a superstar. So you couldn't come back to Jamaica and have people for Vice. Cause nobody need a Vice for you back then. You see me? A foreign there, a Vice foreign man. You see me? I know you're forward in, I go like you want to come bully back your thing and I go like say, yo, you want to come install a system in this. Man, lift up, brother. Lift up. I rebuild with music now. And I got to take it to the next level for the next couple of years. Lift up.
As me said earlier, you know, viewers and subscribers, Russian is a great producer, you know. But them man there is a system man, as me tell you, he's a system man. And Russian go wherever the money goes. Him is not the type of person who rather stand by and build up a culture or build the culture, build a system within the culture. You may talk about system within the culture. But yeah, system is needed. Gatekeeping is needed somewhat. But not to a certain extent where you gatekeep or block out certain people from getting the highlight where them need to get or get the break where them need to get. So if we decide so we want to build our culture, the dancehall culture, now, and me go say DJ Mac. DJ Mac are one of the best young producer right now in our culture and invites almost every artist. No care which side you pick, no care which camp you rep, DJ Mac vice them. But Russian is a different person from DJ Mac. Russian lies where the money lies and loyalty in some sense. Now Russian, as me say Gaza. So if you're not affiliated with the Gaza, or if you're not rep the Gaza, or if you're not rep Russian alone, and you're not rep a certain side, then you will get the highlight, or then you will get a certain forward or for vice span a rhythm with Russian. But other than that, if you not say them not gonna say you. And them not vice you. And as stated also when I say, Russian will never vice Alkaline and probably some other artists way not say Gaza. So people, you know that go already. But make me know one thing about what the man them talk about Russian. You agree? So Gaza fans, them a celebrate them #1 and them #2 on the US iTunes charts, viewers and subscribers. And we want to say congratulations to them. Well done. Welcome to the party. A long time we not there in the party, so welcome to the party. So viewers and subscribers, them out here talk and I go like say history Vybz Kartel's create, you know. When a whole heap of artists out here been a go #1 and #2 on the iTunes charts. One person for sure will be a go #1 are Alkaline, viewers and subscribers. So Gaza fans them out here are celebrate. And props to them and viewers and subscribers, especially the Vendetta fans them. The competition is on. So make sure someone ready and waiting whenever Alkaline drop that album or whenever him drop a next single. Viewers and subscribers, we are going to put in the work. We are going to make sure we go out there, we buy the songs them on the platforms them, the necessary platforms them. We are selling music them, the Spotify, the iTunes, the Amazon, all of the platforms them we are selling the music, all the distribution them, viewers and subscribers. Make sure say when you're ready. So Gaza fans them out here, you know. Them are celebrate them 1 and 2 and it's a good look for them. Dance all nice right now. So the artists them when have a fan base, I'm sorry for you know. But the artists them we have fan base like the Alkaline, the Kartel, the Massacre. I'm not even talk about Popcorn, because Popcorn fans them not even support him that much for put him on the iTunes charts. But viewers and subscribers are the big league we are talking about. The Alkaline, the Massacre, the Kartel. Make sure say uno the fans are go out there, go support the artists them. And Vendetta, a usual thing this too. We always do it. But make sure say whenever Alkaline drop that album, we are go full off the whole of iTunes from 1 to what? Any amount of song with Alkaline put on the album, whether 15. From 1 to 15 songs, we are going full off iTunes. 1 to 15. And at that, we depend viewers and subscribers. So make sure so you go out there and I support the artists them. At that we are talking about Long time them for come to the ball game and long time them for forward in the party so we can say, yeah, the competition on and ready. We can't have ourselves compete with artists or fans. And, you know, we can't compete with fans. We not support them artists. It don't make no sense. Musically, if the fans them not support the artist, what sense does it make? If I just the lifestyle of an artist them a support. It don't make no sense. It will be a joking thing. We out here are put in the work as Vendetta fans. I put Alkaline on the necessary charts them for top him. The next thing we are going to do, I put Alkaline on the #1 Billboard chart. We have worked for #1 or even if a #2 we get, cause you know it's hard for move Bob Marley off of the Billboard chart. So we are work for the #1 or the #2 and that we are work for. So make sure say when you go out there and support the artists them. So viewers and subscribers, pre the clippings that the brother here go on like say a Vybz Kartel like all the artists ever go #1 on iTunes. The way all them excited and happy, you would have wonder if I first them a do it to blood clean. But pre this.
So I don't want to now go on the fact say Vybz Kartel is not #1 right now up on iTunes, you know. I don't want to now grow on the fact that the dog, you know, there are number few on iTunes right now, you know. I don't want to now grow on the fact that the dog have 2 songs on the iTunes charts right now, you know. Suck your mother and God says, you know. I don't want to now grow on the fact, you know, bro. Because I go like so I don't want to hide the artist shine right now with a little bumbo, you know. Yo, it's sweet, yo, fuck. Dog, fall off. The man never fall off yet, dog. It factory that Gaza Nation support the G right through. Oh, no load up so now that the man there #1. Oh, no, make no nice that the man there #1 now. But when time when the man drop the blood now just preview and suck him at that, everybody has say, oh, what that? But no, the song they are #1. Oh, no, quiet as fuck. Why are you so quiet? Make nice, you know. Cheer on, no? Oh, no, quiet. Me blood clot. Mind your business. I'm out.
I wanna see one say when a song go #1 on iTunes, it doesn't automatically means the song a hit song. So make you see how long the song they are go on or they on iTunes now. Make you see how good the song they are go do in a space of dancehall. But yeah, congratulations to the Gaza fans them on celebrating their #1 and #2 on iTunes. But you remember last time I wouldn't see one say a song going #1 on iTunes and mean nothing. Now we not celebrate and not have fun. Cool, nothing wrong with that. Competition. We out here I support the artists them monetary. So it's a good look for sister the fans them of an artist, of a Kartel, of a Alkaline. I support the artists them monetary. So it's a good look. But make you see how good the song are doing in a space. A dancehall. Remember, the song going #1 on iTunes doesn't automatically means the song is a hit song. We see a whole heap of song do that. Vybz Kartel did go #1 on iTunes with I Know and it never hit. Alkaline got #1 on iTunes with couple other songs last year and it never hit like the masses. It hit the fan base but it never hit the masses like that. So going #1 on iTunes not really automatically mean nothing dog. But it's a good look for you still. Go and enjoy you know on a nice time.
The 2 songs that my Vybz Kartel release, Black to Black, in space of few hours, SYM and God Says, the 2 of them top the iTunes charts. 1 and 2. 1 and 2.
So, style when we put on at that them pick up.
God have mercy upon us.
Style where we put down and hit them pick up. Jaja God. But viewers and subscribers, Gaza fans, them must celebrate them iTunes topping #1 and #2. But nevertheless, congratulate them for them winning. Carry on, keep doing thing. But we love the competition, so it's a good look. As me say, style where we put down and hit on a pick up. Go and enjoy on yourself and have on fun, man. A mad thing when the album them drop, una go under pressure. But viewers and subscribers, show your thoughts in the comment section and make me know what you think. Jaja God. And another topic though, viewers and subscribers. So this young man here, go look for him girlfriend and buck up Joe Grind and give her a hot backers, viewers and subscribers. The greatest thing, him never kill them still. But him go buck up Joe Grind and deal with moms away. A man get mad and mash up everything in our house. The man go even punch at the rhino tank, cut the rhino tank so you know the whole of water leak out. Jaja got viewers and subscribers. But me I play the clipping so you can hear what the dog I say. There's another clipping also with him in the house. And mash up all of the TV them viewers and subscribers. My God. You see where pum pum can do, man. It hurt up man head enough. People, watch ya.
Boy, I can't even remember when me upset such a blood clot. After me buy woman a tank, you know, cause the woman have water problem in her place. And I say, yo, I go check it woman and I go woman here. You know what I say, woman have man lock up in her house, brother. All me I call the woman now come out. And me see her and the man in the place. What no that? Tell me true.
Any of them bumbo class time because I fuck up every bumbo class thing here. You better tell you, make one of them come out and bumbo class with my smell. Every now joke with them in the dog. Everything when I pay for in this bumbo class, I have to get back in the dog. That me a, come here, G. That me a bumbo class. Every bumbo class thing out of this, everything out of this bumbo class. Out the door, drive when I bump up like I drive one. Girl, a wicked girl, yo. Nothing I get for me, brother. Yeah, me I tell them like yo, everything. You see, I'm tank for the bumbo clock to stop. Me I take down that bumbo clock, dog. Watch this.
The man a mash up every mama ras in our house when him ever pay for to blood clean. Jaja, viewers and subscribers, who agree with what the man a do for mash up the things them in our house when him buy? People, make me know what you think in the comment section. But me have some people that talk about it, you know. Them a ask if Uno agree also. It look like them agree to him doing what him do. People, watch this.
Man with the water jug, right? We catch him woman a cheat. After him buy the blood clot water tank, you see me, and cut up the water tank after him go to the woman yard and the woman a fuck on him, see it? Ladies, hear me I say, big woman thing. Put the feelings aside, bro. Make we be logical now, see it? If you go to and help a man buy a car, right? And you go see the boy a fucking at the car after the boy not have the full money. You the punch of the blood clot for 30. You the lick out couple window. You see me I say? You to make sure the car can't move again. Me feel like so you should have call him no mama man and him at this. Me don't know. Me feel like ladies don't know say boy me don't know. On a fuck up for that one. On a fuck up. Fuck.
Guys, you know think say the man wrong to stab up the black drum? Because he find out say yo the woman have man in the house. Yeah man, the man who buy the woman the black drum, guys. You know feel say the man wrong or he should have left it. That's a question. Because the man say I call the woman. The woman now answer saying God the woman yard and get to find out say yo man in the house. So the dog get vicious. Yeah man, the dog get vexed and jump up on the house top and stab up the drum and kick off here and you know and dash with whole of the water. Jealousy is a hell of a thing, bro. You see me? And that's why the man do that, you know, bro. Because maybe the man would have loved the woman, but the woman don't love him. He said the man never mean to do it, but because how he feel in the moment. You get me? I say, but woman, if you don't want the man, then bro, don't take them things, Jenna.
People, leave your thoughts in our comment section and make me know if you don't agree with what the brother do. For him stab up the tank and mash up the TV them in our house. Cause this viewers and subscribers. If it was the other way around, you don't think any woman would have spear any man with them buck or give them bun. Them would have mash up the car, them would have mash up the car glass, them would have punch a tire, them would have do so much. You don't know woman and man thing different. When woman spiral out of control, if them go catch them man, a cheat on them, you don't know how that go already. Viewers and subscribers, leave your thoughts in our comment section. Ladies, you think the man right for him though, or you know that do the same thing? People, you know it going. I will catch you guys on another episode. A mad thing, you know, a Vybz and Inside with Nanda with another episode. Mad, I'm out. Peace.